Hey, what's up guys? I've got a Honda Pilot that's got some major creaking and moaning in the front suspension. And turns out that's because the bushings on my front control arms, on the lower front control arms, are like totally shot. So here's how to fix them. These are the Moog replacements. Don't waste your money getting any of the other brands, the Mevotex or Ultra Power or Pro Force or any of those other brands. Pay the extra money and get the Moog ones. From my research online, the Moog ones are much better and they have a pretty good track record. They are made in Taiwan, but then again, most of all the other ones are made in China, so I don't know. Taiwan, pretty much part of China, so I'm not sure if that makes much of a difference, but I know the Moog suspension parts in general are much better. These will fit a Honda Pilot from 2003 to 2008, or maybe it's basically the first generation Honda Pilot, so I think that's 2002 to 2008, or maybe 2003 to 2008, and they'll also fit first generation MDXs, so that's 2001 through 2006. So let's take a look at what these look like. So these look really good. Brand new bushing, looks really good. Arm looks like decent quality metal. The other bushing looks pretty solid. Here's the back of the ball joint. Let's flip this over. It's marked for left-hand side. Quality looks really good. Here's the ball joint. And came with a brand new cotter pin. The ball joint's got a ball joint's got this plastic cover on it, so you want to make sure to take that off before installation. So there's what the ball joint looks like. It's good, looks pretty good quality rubber boot. I don't know, we'll see when I install them, but they look good to me. Thanks for looking.